Okay, here's the next one. Hot Wheels VW Bug. That's what we're going to see. There's a lot of bugs. This is worth 10 speed points. See details on back. We'll look at that in a minute. But look at this guy. Different paint job from some of the other ones. What's the collector number? Whoops, there's my fingers. 171. 0453 on the card there. What a great car. You know, different wheels, different paint. Just makes them fun to collect. Very 80s paint job, isn't it? All of our cars look like this. It's an oval window. When did oval windows stop being made? 56? 57? You guys tell me in the comments. I think it's 57. Let's read this. Oh, there's something in the bubble. It's probably on the outside. Is that a bug? In my bug? Ugh. Hot Wheels. Metal bottom. All these are metal. I don't know how you tell if something's metal or plastic just from the card. But this probably weighs a little bit more. It's a great card. It's been flat for ages over 3. That's a weird way of saying 3 and up. All right, let's look at the card. Let's see if we can read this. Join the Hot Wheels Speed Points Club. Look what's cruising your way when you join. Wow. I bet some of this stuff is hard to find now. Should I turn in my points and try and get that stopwatch? Yes, sign me up. Official Hot Wheels Points Speed Club membership. Oh, it expires 3/31/93. I've enclosed a check for $2. That's hilarious. 10 speed points. How cool. Is Hot Wheels still in New Jersey? That's a lot of fun. Still says, don't oil wheels and axles. All right, I've got a special surprise for you on this one. I have some cars in, I have some cars out of the boxes. Yeah, look at that guy. Didn't roll very well. Come on, Hot Wheels. Ugh. There you go. Fun as ever. That one's kind of janky. I wonder who messed that one up. I guess it just depends on the car. When it was made, how it was treated. It looks pretty old down here, but look at the paint. The paint looks great. Is that an orange interior? Wonderful. All right, that's it, guys. More to come. Okay. Love ya. Bye.